In the heart of South Africa's vibrant pharmaceutical landscape, Aspen Pharmacare Holdings Limited emerged in 1997. Founded by Stephen Sard and Gus Attridge, the company quickly established itself as a force to be reckoned with. Driven by a vision of providing affordable healthcare solutions, Aspen focused on acquiring undervalued pharmaceutical assets. Their goal was to build a robust portfolio of products that could address pressing healthcare needs. From its headquarters in Umhlanga, Aspen embarked on a journey of remarkable growth. South Africa, with its diverse population and unique healthcare challenges, served as the ideal springboard for the company's ambitions. Aspen's founders recognized the immense potential of expanding access to essential medicines, particularly in the face of the growing HIV/AIDS epidemic. Aspen's early years were characterized by a combination of strategic acquisitions and organic growth. The company quickly gained a reputation for identifying undervalued pharmaceutical assets and integrating them into its expanding operations. This approach allowed Aspen to rapidly expand its product portfolio and establish a strong presence in key therapeutic areas. As Aspen's footprint in South Africa grew, so too did its reputation as a reliable provider of quality medicines. The company's commitment to affordability resonated with healthcare providers and patients alike, establishing a foundation for future success. Aspen's growth trajectory took a significant leap forward in 1999 with the acquisition of South African druggists SAD. SAD, with its roots dating back to 1850 through B.G. Lennon and Company, brought with it a rich legacy and established distribution networks. This landmark acquisition transformed Aspen into a major player in the South African pharmaceutical market and provided a platform for further expansion. The integration of SAD's operations and product portfolio into Aspen's existing infrastructure was seamless and strategic. Aspen leveraged SAD's extensive distribution network to reach a wider customer base, ensuring that its medicines reached those who needed them most. Moreover, the acquisition provided Aspen with access to a broader range of therapeutic areas, including over-the-counter products and prescription medications. The acquisition of SAD marked a turning point in Aspen's journey. It not only solidified the company's position as a leader in the South African market, but also laid the groundwork for its ambitious global expansion plans. With a strong foundation in place, Aspen set its sights on new horizons, seeking to replicate its success in other parts of the world. With a dominant presence in its home market, Aspen embarked on a strategic global expansion strategy. The company recognized the vast, untapped potential in emerging markets, particularly in Africa, Latin America, and Southeast Asia. These regions, often characterized by growing populations and increasing healthcare needs, presented Aspen with significant opportunities for growth. Aspen's global expansion strategy was two-pronged. Firstly, the company pursued strategic acquisitions of pharmaceutical companies and manufacturing facilities in target markets. These acquisitions provided Aspen with immediate access to local expertise, distribution channels, and established brands. Secondly, Aspen entered into licensing agreements with multinational pharmaceutical companies to manufacture and distribute their products in emerging markets. Aspen's global expansion was swift and impactful. The company established a strong presence in over 150 countries, becoming a leading supplier of medicines in many emerging markets. This rapid expansion transformed Aspen from a regional player into a global pharmaceutical giant. Aspen's product portfolio has always been characterized by diversity, encompassing a wide range of therapeutic areas and dosage forms. From generic pharmaceuticals to branded specialty products, Aspen has consistently sought to address the evolving healthcare needs of patients worldwide. The company's portfolio includes products for the treatment of a wide array of conditions, including cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, cancer, HIV/AIDS, and respiratory illnesses. One of Aspen's key areas of focus has been the production and distribution of generic antiretroviral medications for the treatment of HIV/AIDS. Recognizing the devastating impact of the HIV/AIDS epidemic, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa, Aspen has played a pivotal role in expanding access to affordable antiretrovirals. The company's commitment to providing these life-saving medications at accessible prices has earned it international recognition. In addition to its focus on generics, Aspen has also made significant investments in specialized therapies, particularly in the areas of oncology and anesthetics. The company's acquisition of intellectual property rights for AstraZeneca's anesthetic portfolio, for instance, demonstrated its commitment to expanding its presence in niche therapeutic areas. Aspen's diverse portfolio reflects its commitment to meeting the diverse healthcare needs of patients globally. Partnerships for progress have always been a cornerstone of Aspen's success, especially in its efforts to tackle global health challenges. The company has forged strategic alliances with leading pharmaceutical companies, research institutions, and non-governmental organizations. These partnerships help leverage expertise, share resources, and expand access to essential medicines. These collaborations have been instrumental in Aspen's journey from a local player to becoming a global pharmaceutical leader. One of the most significant partnerships has been with Johnson & Johnson for the production and distribution of the Aspenovax COVID-19 vaccine in Africa. This landmark agreement, signed in 2022, enabled Aspen to utilize its manufacturing capabilities to produce a critical vaccine for the continent. The Aspenovax collaboration really highlights Aspen's commitment to playing a leading role in global health emergencies. Beyond this, Aspen has established a network of partnerships to strengthen its research and development capabilities, expand its product portfolio, and enhance its global reach. These collaborations truly are a testament to Aspen's collaborative approach to addressing complex healthcare challenges. Aspen's remarkable growth trajectory has not been without its share of controversies, particularly relating to the pricing of its products. The company has faced accusations of engaging in aggressive pricing practices, particularly for essential medicines. These accusations have led to investigations and penalties from regulatory authorities in several countries, casting a shadow over Aspen's reputation. Critics argue that Aspen's pricing practices have, in some instances, limited access to life-saving medications, particularly in low-income countries. The company has been accused of exploiting its dominant market position to impose exorbitant price hikes on essential medicines, making them unaffordable for many patients. These allegations have sparked public outrage and calls for greater regulation of pharmaceutical pricing. Aspen has defended its pricing practices, arguing that they are necessary to support research and development, ensure the sustainability of its operations, and maintain the high quality of its products. The company maintains that it is committed to providing affordable healthcare solutions, pointing to its efforts to expand access to medicines in developing countries. Nevertheless, the pricing controversies have tarnished Aspen's image and raised questions about its corporate responsibility. The pricing controversies surrounding Aspen have led to numerous legal challenges, with regulatory authorities in several countries launching investigations into the company's pricing practices. These investigations have resulted in significant financial penalties and settlements, further tarnishing Aspen's reputation and raising concerns about its corporate governance. In 2016, the Italian Competition Authority fined Aspen $5.5 million for excessive price hikes on several cancer drugs. The authority found that Aspen had increased the prices of these drugs by as much as 1,500%, making them unaffordable for many patients. This case set a precedent for subsequent investigations in other countries. Aspen has faced similar investigations and penalties in the United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, Spain, France, Brazil, and South Africa. The company has paid millions of dollars in fines and settlements related to its pricing practices. These legal challenges have not only been costly for Aspen, but have also damaged its reputation. Despite the challenges and controversies, Aspen remains a significant player in the global pharmaceutical industry. The company's vast manufacturing capabilities, diverse product portfolio, and strong presence in emerging markets position it for continued growth. However, Aspen must address the concerns surrounding its pricing practices and rebuild trust with regulators, patients, and the wider public. Aspen's strategic direction focuses on consolidating its position in existing markets while exploring new growth opportunities. The company is expanding its presence in specialized therapies, such as oncology and anesthetics, while continuing to invest in the production of affordable generics. Aspen is also leveraging its manufacturing capabilities to become a key player in the global vaccine market. To navigate the evolving pharmaceutical landscape, Aspen must prioritize innovation, sustainability, and social responsibility. The company needs to invest in research and development to bring new and innovative medicines to market. Aspen must also adopt sustainable manufacturing practices and commit to responsible pricing models that ensure access to essential medicines for all. By embracing these principles, Aspen can secure its future and fulfill its mission of providing affordable healthcare solutions globally. Aspen Pharmacare's journey from a local startup to a global pharmaceutical giant is a testament to the vision, ambition, and entrepreneurial spirit of its founders. The company has played a vital role in expanding access to essential medicines, particularly in developing countries. Aspen's commitment to innovation is evident in its diverse product portfolio and its investments in research and development. However, Aspen's legacy is also marked by controversy. The company's aggressive pricing practices have drawn criticism from regulators, patients, and the wider public. Aspen must address these concerns and adopt more responsible pricing models to ensure that its medicines are accessible to all who need them. As Aspen looks to the future, it faces a critical juncture. The company must balance its pursuit of growth and profitability with its social responsibility to provide affordable healthcare solutions. By embracing ethical business practices, fostering a culture of transparency, and prioritizing patient needs, Aspen can solidify its legacy as a global pharmaceutical leader committed to improving health outcomes for all.